Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the algorithm Rc4. So in Rc4 algorithm was designed by the Ronald Rivest in 1987. It is the symmetric key algorithm and also uses the stream cipher. So it is generally used in the data communication and network protocols. So it is related to IEEE 8.0 level wireless LAN. It is used in web and VBA, and it is used generally between the web browsers and the servers. So what is meant by a stream cipher? Unlike the large blocks of the block cipher, we are going to evaluate the plain text in using the bit by bit operation or byte by byte operation. So while a block cipher operates on large blocks of data, stream cipher typically operate on smaller unit of plain text, usually bits or bytes. A stream cipher generates what is called as key. So a sequence of bit that is used as a key. Now encryption is accomplished by combining the key stream with the plain text, usually with bitwise XOR operation. So how do you perform the XOR? That is 101, 110, 011, 000, 110, 110, 000, 000. Then coming to the we are going to see the key value that we are generating by the pseudo random byte generator. So this key generator will always generate the randomly key generations which is used in the encrypting for the plain text, and we are going to get the ciphertext. Then coming to the block diagram of the Rc4, we have the secret key where we are going to apply to the Rc4. We are going to get the key values that we are XORing with the plain text, and we are getting the encrypted ciphertext values. So generally in Rc4 we have two parts. One is the KSA and another one is the random generator algorithm. So we have KSA means key scheduling algorithm, and PRGA is nothing but the pseudo random generator algorithm. So initially we are going to take the 256 bytes of data. So like in AES we are going to represent them in form of the 16 by 16 matrix, and we are going to take the values, and we are going to take the initialization, that is plain text, and also we are going to take the temporary values and the key values. The key values are repeated in the temporary values. So we are going to run the key scheduling algorithm and also pseudo random generator algorithm. XOR the data in the key stream. The initialization of array to begin, the entries of S are set to equal to the equal values 0 to 255 in ascending order, that is S of 0 is equal to 0, S of 1 is equal to 1, so until S of 255 is equal to 255. So we are going to initialize a temporary vector and also a key, that array of bytes of secret key. Then we are going to apply the key length. So we are going to assign all the values of the plain text into the S of I into a vector. Then we are going to take the temporary vector. In this temporary vector we are going to assign all the key values. So since we are going to take the key length, if at all it is less than the key length, then we are going to repeat till the end. Next is we use to produce the initialize permutation. So whenever you are going to take the T and we are going to do the key scheduling algorithm, the first step is we are going to apply the initialization permutation to the S vector. So this particular vector, S vector, that contains the 256 bit, all the values are being permutated. Now the values is for I is equal to 0 to 255, we are going to apply the initialization permutation using this particular code, where we are going to take the j value and we are going to swap the s and I values in the s vector. Then we are going to get the values that are there in the, that is permitted values, and this will be continued till 256 bits are completed in the s vector. Once you are completed with this particular code, then we are going to generate the key for this particular values. For generating of the key, we are going to take the s vector that is being initialized. Then we are going to apply this particular code, that is we are going to take the length of the plain text. Then we are going to till the length of the plain text is finished. Then we are going to we start with the I value, we are going to increment, and we are going to do the mod of 256. Then j value plus s of I, the vector values of I, then mod 256, then swapping. Then we apply the key values. So key values will be of s of I plus s of j mod 26. Then you are going to get the output as k. Now this k value is XORed with the plain text to get the cipher text values.